Hello everyone. If you are new to React, you will suffer with JSX syntax. So imagine that we want to write an unordered list. We will do it like this and this. So it's just a pain in the ass. To be honest, you need to add Emmet support to your JSX in your React application. But how can we do it? First of all, go to File, Preferences, and Settings. You will see two categories of settings, user and workplace. The difference between the workplace and user settings is that workplace is related to this workplace only. So let's call it a specific project. You want to add some custom settings, but the user is general all over your workplaces. Okay, so because we want to keep it global, we will go to user and then extensions. Some tutorials advise you to go to Emmet and go to edit in settings.json or go to include.edit in settings.json. I would say go to wherever you want, just open the settings.json file anywhere. Don't just follow a tutorial, you need to understand it. All we need to do here is to open the settings.json file. So let's click on it. You will get a similar file. It depends on your settings applied on your VS Code. So what we are going to do is adding custom Emmet configuration. Let's write a comma, Emmet.includeLanguages. Here we go. We will write JavaScript and JavaScript React. Hit save. Control S or Command S, depends on your OS. Now let's check it. You see now that we have Emmet abbreviation. Let's imagine UL, LI, and hit tab. We get the same result with Emmet support. Now we have the support and it perfectly is working fine. Let's back to our setting.json for a final tip. Again, it's not about following a tutorial, you need to understand it. So it's a key and value within an object of the Emmet.includeLanguages configuration object. You can add another key and value if you want to support custom languages which are not by default supported. Let's imagine that you want to Emmet support for your Vue app, so you write something like Vue HTML. Again, it's all about you. You need to understand it. Once you understand it, you don't need to worry about following a similar tutorial. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find it helpful.